Hello and welcome to today's video. Fatima and I are glad to see you here. Yes, Anne and I are very excited that you have joined us today. And I know what we have. It is the Boxycharm November Race Box. Yes, so let's jump right on in. Okay, here we go. First up from Le Beauty is a cream bronzer. This is a new launch, and I have to admit, looking at it under the ring light here, it looks lighter than it does when I look at it just under natural light. I'm a little undecided with this one if I'm going to keep it or not, because at first it did look a little bit dark for my purposes, but we shall see what comes of the decision once I do my end of year clean out as to if I'm desperate for a bronzer or if I'm not. Tarte is sharing their Maracuja lip balm, and this is a nice pinky neutral shade. I don't think it's going to be very pigmented, but that's okay. And it is in the shade. This item contains 10 antioxidant-rich fruits to help nourish and hydrate your lips. Fatima is holding the next item, which is from Tint. It is the Reveal Spa Water Gel Mask. Reveal Beauty, hydrated and glowing skin with this refreshing and revitalizing spa water gel mask, fortified with hyaluronic acid, cucumber, and melon extracts. So I am excited to get to give this a try. It looks like it is a mask that you can apply and then massage in the extra or blot the extra off with a damp towel. From Natasha Denona, we have a highlighter and a blush. And these are in the shades Glow and Glow Universal. And I'm excited to add these to my collection. I'm trying to finish up some products that I have, so I'm not going to dig into them today, but they definitely look like a nice complement to my skin tone. And they look like they will be soft and creamy. I like her products. I do too. From Lunar Beauty, we have the Nude Prism eyeshadow palette. And I am very excited because I get to do swatches. This was my choice item, and normally I'm not wild about a lot of neutral and matte colors. However, there was enough sparkle in this palette that it caught my attention, so I went ahead and picked it. And now, Camel, get ready. Is it swatching time? Yes, it is swatching time. Camel, are you admiring yourself in the mirror? Oh, goodness, Camel. Cue the music. The Camel will now do swatches. Nice job with the swatches. Yes, thank you. I enjoy swatching. Let us know what color or shade you liked best from that palette. So now I'm getting down to the nitty-gritty, also known as the pricing. The box is $28.38. That includes tax for my area. There is a $1.99 handling fee, so that gives me a total of $30.37. The box weighed in at 1 pound and 10 ounces. I know some people like to know that information. I have version number 51 of the box. For the pricing for the products, the bronzer has a retail of $18, the lip balm $21, the gel mask $28, the Natasha Denona Cheek Duo $42, and the Lunar Beauty Nude Prism Eyeshadow Palette $48. So that gives us a grand total of $157, which even if I decide that the bronzer isn't a shade that I'm going to use, I still think this is a good investment or a good value for my money. So thank you for joining us on our adventure through Boxycharm's November base box. Leave a comment below as to which item caught your attention, and we hope to see you again in another video. And speaking of other videos, there should be another one popping up on the screen that you might want to watch. And we hope to see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.